Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we are looking at something that is not just a kitchen appliance but a total aesthetic upgrade for your countertop. This is the CIARRA portable induction cooktop in a striking pink finish. When you think of induction cooking, you usually imagine boring black plastic, but this unit manages to be both highly functional and visually distinct. Let us dive right into the performance. The standout feature here is the heating speed. Because this uses advanced induction technology, it transfers heat directly to your cookware rather than heating the surface of the stove. This means you reach boiling temperatures much faster than traditional electric coils, which is a massive time saver when you're trying to whip up a quick dinner for 1 or 2 people. Control is where this unit really shines. You get 8 adjustable power levels, which gives you the precision needed for everything from a gentle simmer to a high heat sear. The digital timer is also quite generous, allowing you to set it for up to 240 minutes. This is perfect for those times when you are cooking a meal that needs to simmer for a while and you do not want to hover over the stove. Portability is the goal here, and at roughly 12 by 12 inches, it is incredibly compact. It is thin enough to slide into a drawer or store on a shelf, making it a fantastic choice for studio apartments, college dorms, or even for setting up a mobile kitchen in an RV. The touch controls are responsive and integrated into a ceramic glass surface that looks premium and is surprisingly easy to maintain. When you are done cooking, you just wait for it to cool down and give it a quick wipe. No scrubbing burnt food off messy coils. Safety is often the biggest concern with portable cooktops, and CIARRA has really packed this with features. It comes with a built-in safety lock, which is great if you have kids or curious pets around. It also includes automatic pan detection, which means if the sensor does not detect induction-compatible cookware, it will not activate. Plus, it has auto shut-off and overheat protection to prevent any accidents if you happen to leave it on longer than expected. Now, let us talk about the trade-offs. The biggest pro is definitely the form factor and that unique pink aesthetic. It is a rare find in a market dominated by industrial gray and black. However, keep in mind that you must use induction-ready cookware for this to work. If your pans are aluminum or glass, they will not interact with the magnetic field of the burner. Also, since it is a single burner, it is meant for supplemental cooking or small households, not for preparing massive holiday feasts. Overall, the CIARRA portable induction cooktop is a stylish, safe, and highly efficient solution for anyone limited by space or looking for an extra burner for their kitchen. It hits that sweet spot between functional appliance and kitchen decor. If you are looking to upgrade your cooking setup or add some utility to a smaller living space, this is a very solid contender. Link in the description.